How to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if you're facing this error on WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search WhatsApp. Once you have found it, check if there is an update option. If there is, tap on that and update the WhatsApp to the latest version. After that, launch open WhatsApp and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you simply want to launch open your device settings. Then tap on apps. Now a list of all the applications on your device will be shown over here. Scroll down and find WhatsApp from here. Then you want to tap on the option of storage. Now select clear cache. Once that is done, launch open WhatsApp and check if your problem is fixed. If not, you simply want to reinstall WhatsApp. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once it has been uninstalled, install it again from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.